Hello there. Today we are going to review the most exciting concepts in technology. Do you dare? Ever wondered why people are so loyal to their iPhones despite the existence of diverse options in the market? You're not alone. After all, we live in a world where there's an array of smartphones in all shapes, sizes, and hues, each boasting unique features. Yet there's something about that sleek silver Apple logo that commands loyalty. And it's not just about the brand. It's the iOS software, the heart and soul of every Apple device. This software, this ecosystem, is like an enigma wrapped in a riddle. At first glance, it may seem like just another operating system, but for millions of users worldwide, it's much more than that. It's a lifestyle, a statement, a testament to their love for quality, security, and user-friendly design. So what makes the iOS ecosystem different, you ask? Well, it's akin to a perfectly orchestrated symphony where each app, each feature, works in harmony to create a seamless user experience. It's about the ease of use, the intuitive interface that doesn't require a manual to navigate. It's about the security that gives users the peace of mind that their data is safe. It's about the high-quality apps in the App Store that cater to a wide range of needs and interests. But it's not just the users who are smitten by the iOS software. Developers too have a soft spot for this platform. The reason iOS's unified platform makes it easier to create and optimize applications, ensuring they can focus on what they do best, creating innovative, engaging content. But, as with all things in life, the iOS software isn't perfect. It has its fair share of drawbacks, which we'll delve into as we progress in this video. So, is it the allure of the Apple brand, or does iOS software genuinely offer a superior experience? Let's delve into it. Apple prides itself on its seamless ecosystem, but what does this actually mean for users? Well, imagine this. You're typing an email on your iPhone, but then you need to switch to your Mac. With Apple's seamless integration, you can do this effortlessly. The draft email on your iPhone magically appears on your Mac, and you can continue right where you left off. This is just one example of how Apple devices work together, providing an ease of use that's simply unparalleled. The user-friendly interface across all devices adds to this seamless experience, making Apple's ecosystem a joy to navigate. Now, let's talk about the App Store and the quality of apps you'll find there. Apple has a strict app review process. This means that each app you download has undergone a rigorous evaluation for not just functionality, but also for its adherence to privacy guidelines. What this translates to is a collection of high-quality, reliable apps that respect your personal data. The Apple ecosystem doesn't just prioritize convenience and quality, it also puts a strong emphasis on security. iOS is renowned for its robust security features. Apple regularly releases updates and patches to ensure your device is always protected against the latest threats. Whether it's the two-factor authentication or the built-in encryption, Apple's iOS goes above and beyond to keep your data safe. But it's not just about keeping your device safe from hackers and malware. Apple also has stringent policies to protect your privacy from third-party apps. For instance, apps must ask for your permission before accessing your photos, contacts, or location. This gives you full control over who has access to your personal information. In essence, the allure of iOS lies in its seamless integration of devices, user-friendly interface, high-quality apps, and robust security measures. The iOS ecosystem is indeed a well-oiled machine. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's explore the other side of the coin. While iOS offers a plethora of benefits, it's not without its drawbacks. So what are these cons users have to deal with? Let's delve into the details. First up is the closed nature of the iOS ecosystem. Unlike its competitors, Apple tightly controls its environment, limiting the customization options available to its users. The iOS interface is sleek and user-friendly. But if you're someone who likes to tweak and modify your device to your heart's content, you may find this system a bit restrictive. The lack of freedom to customize can be a deal-breaker for tech enthusiasts who enjoy having control over every aspect of their devices. Then there's the cost factor. Let's face it, Apple devices and services don't come cheap. From the latest iPhone to the smallest accessory, everything comes with a hefty price tag. The high cost extends to the App Store as well, where many apps and in-app purchases can burn a hole in your pocket. This can be a significant disadvantage for those who are budget conscious or simply don't want to spend a fortune on their tech gear. Finally, we come to the limitations in terms of file sharing and cross-platform compatibility. iOS has a reputation for playing hard to get when it comes to interacting with non-Apple devices. File sharing can be a bit of a hassle if you're trying to send something to a device that's not part of the Apple family. Similarly, cross-platform compatibility issues can arise if you're using apps or services that aren't designed with iOS in mind. This can be frustrating for users who need to work and communicate across different platforms. So the iOS system is not perfect and has its share of limitations. But how does this all balance out? This question is worth pondering. The answer may lie in your usage patterns, your budget, and your personal preferences. In the end, it's about finding the right fit for you. The next time you're considering a new device or platform, remember to consider both sides of the coin. In weighing the pros and cons of iOS, one might ask, is it worth it? Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. We've touched on the key advantages and disadvantages of iOS software, and it's clear that there's no one-size-fits-all answer. What might be a pro for one person could be a con for another. On one hand, the iOS ecosystem is a marvel. Seamlessly integrated, it offers a level of convenience and consistency that's hard to beat. The apps are of high quality, and the user interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Plus, the security that iOS provides is top-notch. It's a haven for anyone who values privacy and data protection. But then again, there are the downsides. The iOS ecosystem can feel limiting to some, especially those who enjoy tinkering and customizing their devices. The lack of flexibility can be a deal breaker, and let's not forget the price tag. Apple products are premium, and not everyone is willing or able to pay the premium price. So is iOS worth it? That's a question only you can answer. It all boils down to your needs, preferences, and what you're willing to compromise on. Are you a content creator who needs high-quality apps and seamless syncing across devices? iOS might be the way to go. Or perhaps you're a tech enthusiast who craves the freedom to customize to your heart's content. In that case, iOS might not be your cup of tea. Understanding these factors is crucial before making a decision. It's about weighing the benefits against the costs and determining what matters most to you. After all, a tool is only as good as its usefulness to the user. In the end, the value of iOS software comes down to what you as a user value the most. So we've delved into the iOS ecosystem, exploring its highs and lows. But what's the final verdict? Over the course of this video, we've peeled back the layers of the iOS software, taking a close look at its many facets. We've discovered the alluring advantages that make it a contender for many. From its robust security measures that offer peace of mind, to its seamless integration across devices, iOS stands as a testament to a well-crafted ecosystem. But we've also journeyed through the other side of the coin, where we found a few bumps in the road. We acknowledge the limitations in customization, the potential for compatibility issues, and the often higher costs associated with iOS devices. We dove deep into the iOS software, examining how it balances these pros and cons. We saw how, despite its limitations, iOS offers a streamlined, intuitive user experience. We noted its appeal to content creators and productivity enthusiasts, thanks to its suite of creative tools and efficient workflows. However, the crucial takeaway from all this exploration is that the choice between iOS and other software isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but a subjective decision that varies from person to person. It's about finding the system that fits your lifestyle, caters to your needs, and aligns with your preferences. Are you someone who values security and seamless integration? iOS might be your match. Do you prioritize customization and cost? Perhaps another software is your best bet. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice here. It's about making an informed decision that serves you best. Weigh the advantages against the disadvantages. Consider your personal needs and preferences, and make the choice that feels right for you. No system is perfect, and iOS is no exception. But in understanding its strengths and weaknesses, you can make a decision that serves you best. That's it for today, folks. Stay informed and keep exploring. Thanks for watching! If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments to help us grow. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Stay focused, inspired, and keep chasing your dreams. Goodbye.